Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to get Ghost Warzone, only way. Start by locating the mission node in the specified map area, then trigger the cinematic and follow on-screen objectives exactly. Equip necessary loadouts before extraction, and do not pick up conflicting perks or items that cancel the unlock conditions. Move methodically, communicate with teammates if possible, and confirm the unlock in your inventory before leaving the match. Begin at the mission node and initiate the scripted interaction immediately to register progress. Focus on completing each on-screen objective while defending your position from attackers and environmental hazards. Refrain from swapping perks mid-mission, since removing required items can reset progress, and always check that mission updates appear in the HUD to ensure the sequence continues correctly toward the only way unlock. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can make more helpful content for players like you. Quick recommendation: Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum voice control, which keeps your play space tidy while you focus on objectives. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you enjoy gadgets and efficiency, you will love it. Now let's get back to the video. Watch for common mistakes like skipping triggers, dying during the sequence, or equipping conflicting perks that invalidate the unlock conditions. If progress fails to register, restart the mission from the node and repeat the scripted actions without deviations. Keep communication clear with teammates and use conservative play to reduce deaths during the critical moments so your actions reliably register and the ghost perk unlock completes as intended.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.